Hi, my name is Subroto. Today I am going to tell you about print server and I'm going to cover installation and configuration of print servers on Windows Server 2016. Also I'll tell you how to create print queues and advanced printer configurations. To promote any server as print server, we need to install print services. We can do this from add roles and features. To install the print services, go to Server Manager, click on Manage, add roles and features, click Next, click Next, select the print and document services, add features, click Next, click Next again. In this page you can see the nice description about print server. I recommend you to go through this page, click Next. Here you can add roles services. Microsoft offer you 3 roles other than the print server role. First one is distributed scan server. We can use this rule to manage network scanners. Remember, this is not for normal scanners. Second one is internet printing. This does not mean that you can not use this on intranet or on your local network. This role enable you to print from web browser. Third one is LPD, which is for Unix based computer. We are going to continue with the print server. Click Next. This installation does not require reboot of the server, so just click on install. It will take few minutes to complete. Okay, this is now complete. Please close. Now on the server manager, click on tools, click on print management. Under print server option you can find name of the print server. In this case this is the same server on which I have installed the print server. Expand the server, you can see 4 different options down below. First one is drivers. You can see all the drivers installed on this server. Second one is forms. Forms are basically predefined paper size that we can use for our print. And the next one is ports. So all the available and used ports are listed here. And last one is printer. All the printers installed on this server are listed here. So now we have configured this server as a print server. So now I'm going to tell you about configuring print queues. If you are working on any organization, you probably heard this term many times. I also get this request to create print queues. Print queue is the term used for installing, configuring and sharing new printers on any print server. Take an example of your organization purchased new printers and someone from local support team already installed and configured the print on the floor. So they will going to request you to create print queue for them now. In this case you need IP address and model of the printer to install the correct printer driver. Once you get the details, your first task is to verify if the printer is online. You can simply check this by pinging the IP address of the printer. Once you verify the connectivity of the printer, go to the print management console. Click on the printers. Right click anywhere on the middle pane. Click on add printers. Since we are installing the network printer, we are going with the default option. Click on next. Here you need to type the IP address of the printer. In this case I have IP address of the printer, that is 10.1.1.5. Click next. It will try to find the printer and move to the next page when detection is done. So we will wait for this. In the next page you need to select the type of network card used by the printer. You can use generic network card. In most cases this will be successful. I have installed 100 of printers and this works every time. So click next. Once you click next, it will try to find the best driver for the printer you have selected. If it won't find, it will prompt you to install the driver manually. So in this case it unable to find the correct print driver, so it gives me option to install a new driver. Select on the install new driver, click next. Now here you can choose the driver from the list, or if you have downloaded the driver from vendor site, you can click have disk and browse to the location where you have stored the driver. So my tips to install the driver from vendor site. Let's assume you have downloaded driver from HP website. You will get a zip file. You need to extract the zip file. Once extracted, you will find .inf file inside there. You need to select the .inf file when you will browse the location. So when you click on have disk and you browse the location, you need to select .inf file and click OK. Now here as an example I am selecting Dell 1130 laser printer. Click on next. It will automatically select the printer name for you and you can change it to according to your requirement, and on you can also define the share name if you are going to share this printer. Down below you can see the text box to fill the location details. It is very important to fill this information because I have seen lot of people facing issue to find the location of the printer. Here I am leaving it blank. Click next. Now you can test the printer if you want, or just click finish. Here you can see the first printer is already installed, and if you right click on it and go to the properties and go to the sharing, you can see the share name of the printer, so everyone else can connect to this printer using the share name. Now if you want to map this printer on any client machine, you can follow these simple steps. Here I have Windows 10 as a client system. On the keyboard press Window and R key all together. It will open up the run command. Here you just need to enter the name of the print server. In my case the name of the print server is server 16, so I have entered /server 16. When you click on OK, it will show you the shared printer that you have recently shared. To connect to the printer, you just need to right click on it and click on connect. When you click on connect, it automatically downloads the printer driver from the printer server, so you do not have to install the driver again on the client. Now if you want to try to test the printer, you can open any software like and click on file, click on print. You can see the printer here. You can select the print, just click on start, type printers, it will show you option device and printers. When you click on device and printers, you can see all the printers that are currently configured and installed on this Windows 10 computer. You can change the default printer, like if you want to make this printer as a default, you can right click on it and set as default printer. So every time you try to print from the printer, any printer, it will direct you to this printer. I would like to thank you for watching this video. I assume this is informative to you. I'll create a next video for advanced printer configurations. You can contact me on my email address that is already on the screen.